Hello everyone, welcome back. My name is V. Thank you for coming back. If you're new, please subscribe. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you again for coming back. Hit the notification bell so when my videos come out, you'll be notified by YouTube. And today we are about to have some fun. I create these looks to work on my hooded eyes and I have fun making them. I hope you have fun watching them. I'm using two palettes today. The Nomad by Juvia'S Place. This palette, I'm using this green in here for my outer corner. Can you see I have no eyebrows? I shaved them off. I'm trying to grow them properly again. So I shave everything off. The second palette I'm using is by Makeup Revolution. It's called Flawless 3 Resurrection. I'm using the white. I'm using the white. this is today's finished look. Again, on my hooded eyes, I didn't plan the colors. I just opened the palette and picked 2 colors. And I will get closer so you can see. Hooded eyes covering this little speck of jam. Take a look when I close my eyes. But because I have hooded eyes, when I open them, they are lost. But if you have hooded eyes, that shouldn't prevent you from doing pretty things with your eyeshadow. Do them, be creative, have fun with them. And this is my simple everyday eyeshadow look. I use Juvia'S Place and Makeup Revolution. Also, I try a new foundation. Urban Decay Stay Naked. First impression, I love it. It's very pretty, nice on the skin. And so far, I'm liking it. It feels like I have nothing on my face. It is that nice. I like it so far. So far, so good. Thanks again for watching. Thank you for coming back to my channel. Please subscribe, ring the notification bell so when there is a new video, you'll be notified. Again, love self plenty, take care of self. And if, in case you are depressed and you have anxiety, please find someone to talk to. Don't be ashamed to seek help. And I will see you in another simple, everyday eyeshadow look. Bye.